I had an idea. YouTube.
And that idea is currently being executed.
Chocolate.
Industrial grade melter.
Strawberries. Marshmallow. Graham cracker.
It's very melting.
It's gonna take a minute. Don't. It's not. Where'd you get this cheese melter that we're using as a chocolate melter?
A thrift shop.
Thrift shop.
A thrift shop.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Is it possible for the chocolate to burn while it's in there?
If we kept this on for like 2 hours straight.
Okay, so it's very low temp.
Yeah. Just enough.
It's looking good so far.
What are you guys doing? We're melting chocolate. I'm just kidding. Oh my god.
Jeez. Did you get this shark from the ocean? It's so wet.
Oh, happy Bill's come He's crazy. He's crazy. He's crazy. He's crazy. Oh my gosh, you're killing it. Good boy. Cold feet.
We got issues. Let's see, any progress?
Update.
None. Progress, 2%. Pro tip, chocolate mix. Mix chocolate. That way the same piece of chocolate isn't getting heated up over and over and over and over and over and over and over.
Chris in the chocolate factory over here.
That's fucking melted.
Voila.
It's freaking melted. It's flippin' melted. Did you hear me?
Oh.
It's ready. It's ready. Pour it in my mouth. No. Is that mold? What's that white thing? A scoopity? That's probably too much chocolate, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, put that back. Talking like a baby. Oh yeah.
A squishy.
Eat.
Are you ready? Oh, it was slippery.
Is it good? Oh, is it good? Okay. Whatever anyone says, don't try this at home. Ow. That's why. Just put my hand in the fire. And I'm pretty sure this gas is like toxic, so unless you're trying to die. I love the smell of burnt chalk. Okay, yeah, that looks proportioned correctly.
Clearly doesn't.
Okay, okay. That looks like not enough chocolate, but we're gonna go anyway. Okay, and that's how you make a s'more, folks.
That whole time it wasn't recording.
Tasted good. Yo, relax. Relax. Aw,
It's because you're here. She's not biting me.
it's a little egg.
It's a pokey egg. Her name is Big Choo.
So how do I do it?
Side to side.
Where do I do that to?
Right here.
What am I gonna use to do? What am I gonna be putting side to side?
Strawberry.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Ready?
No. Can you show the people at home? A lot of you guys have been requesting this in the comment section. You want to see chocolate strawberries fed to Natasha, so. Side to side. Side to
No,
side.
turn it side to side.
Oh. You need to be more specific.
And see?
Okay.
Voila! Oh,
Yum.
Our strawberry is fresh and cool.
What? What did you say? Okay. My turn. Chocolate, please. I'm recording, I can't. Shut up. Ow! I'm all filming nothing. Mm-hmm. I see why you white people do that. Mm-hmm. Tastes like dope.